Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best impact drivers you can get your hands on. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, an impact driver is a game changer for tackling tough fastening jobs with ease. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Greenworks ISG402 impact driver. The Greenworks ISG402 impact driver is a powerful and efficient tool designed for a wide range of driving applications. Featuring a 1/4-inch quick-release hex collet, it offers seamless bit changes and ensures a secure fit for optimal performance. With a variable speed trigger, this impact driver delivers up to 3,500 IPM and 2,800 RPM, providing exceptional torque of 1,950 lbs for tackling demanding tasks with ease. Equipped with a highly efficient brushless motor, the Greenworks ISG402 enhances power output while maintaining cooler operation, even at high speeds. This design not only extends battery life but also ensures a longer service lifespan. The inclusion of two 2Ah batteries guarantees that the tool remains ready for use, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Designed with user comfort in mind, this cordless impact driver weighs only 2.14 lbs, making it easy to handle for extended periods. Its lightweight build is particularly beneficial for users who require a manageable tool without compromising on performance. The ergonomic non-slip handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The compact design of the Greenworks ISG402 is 35% smaller than similar units, allowing it to fit effortlessly into tight or confined spaces. Whether working on home improvement projects or professional tasks, this tool is well suited for versatile applications. The built-in LED work light further enhances usability by illuminating dimly lit work areas, ensuring precision in all conditions. A standout feature of this impact driver is its compatibility with over 100 Greenworks tools within the same 24V voltage range. This allows users to interchange batteries across multiple tools, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Ideal for assembling furniture, hanging pictures, and general DIY projects, the Greenworks ISG402 impact driver is a reliable companion for professionals and home users alike. Coming in at number 4, we have the Craftsman CMCF800C1 impact driver. The Craftsman CMCF800C1 impact driver is designed to deliver reliable performance for a variety of fastening applications. With an impressive torque of 1,460 lbs. It provides the power needed for driving screws, lag bolts, and large fasteners with efficiency. The high-speed motor achieves a maximum of 2,800 RPMs and 3,100 IPMs, ensuring fast and consistent results. One of the standout features of this impact driver is its quick-release chuck, allowing for seamless one-handed bit changes. This enhances workflow and minimizes downtime, making it a practical choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Additionally, the built-in LED light offers improved visibility, ensuring precision even in dimly lit workspaces. The CMCF800C1 comes as a complete package, including a 2020V max 1.3 Ah lithium-ion battery and a compatible charger. This setup ensures extended usage time and convenience, allowing users to work efficiently without frequent interruptions. Whether tackling home improvement projects or professional tasks, this impact driver offers reliability and ease of use. Designed for durability and high performance, the Craftsman CMCF800C1 impact driver is a valuable tool for anyone looking for speed, power, and convenience in fastening applications. Its combination of power, ease of use, and enhanced visibility makes it a practical addition to any toolbox. At number 3, the Milwaukee M18 impact driver. The Milwaukee M18 impact driver is a powerful and versatile tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Engineered for efficiency, this cordless impact driver delivers precision, durability, and ease of use in various applications. One of its standout features is the LED lighting system positioned just below the Quick Connect chuck. This ensures that your work area remains well lit, allowing for greater accuracy in dim environments. Whether working in tight corners or low-light conditions, visibility is never a concern. Comfort is another key aspect of the Milwaukee M18 impact driver. Its compact design is enhanced by a textured rubber grip, which provides superior handling, even in wet or slippery conditions. This ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, enabling prolonged use without discomfort. Performance is at the core of this tool, thanks to its variable speed trigger. This feature allows users to control the amount of power applied to different tasks, delivering up to 3,450 impacts per minute. Whether driving screws into wood or tackling tougher materials, the Milwaukee M18 adapts seamlessly to varying demands. Advanced technology is integrated into this impact driver with Milwaukee's RedLink technology. This intelligent system enables communication between the tool and the M18 batteries, effectively reducing the risk of overheating. As a result, users experience enhanced efficiency and extended tool life, ensuring reliability on the job. With its blend of power, durability, and smart technology, the Milwaukee M18 impact driver stands out as a reliable companion for various fastening and drilling applications. Whether used by professionals or hobbyists, this tool consistently delivers top-tier performance. In the second spot, we have the Black Decker BDCI20C impact driver. The Black Plus Decker BDCI20C impact driver is a versatile and powerful tool designed to tackle a variety of fastening tasks with efficiency and ease. Built with user comfort and performance in mind, this impact driver is an excellent addition to any toolkit. Weighing in as a compact and lightweight device, the BDCI20C reduces muscle fatigue, making it ideal for extended use. Whether you're working overhead, in tight spaces, or for prolonged periods, its ergonomic design ensures better handling and control. Equipped with a high-performance transmission, this impact driver delivers up to 1375 inch-pounds of torque, allowing it to handle even the toughest fastening jobs. With speeds reaching up to 3,000 RPM and 3,900 IPM, it ensures efficient and rapid screw driving and fastening, improving productivity on any project. One of the standout features of the BDCI20C is its quick-release 1/4-inch hex chuck, which allows for fast and effortless bit changes. This feature enhances workflow efficiency, enabling users to switch between bits without unnecessary delays. The soft-touch grip handle is designed for maximum comfort, minimizing hand strain and making the tool more user-friendly. Whether you're working on a home improvement project or a professional task, the grip ensures a secure hold, providing better control and reducing slippage. The PowerConnect battery system is another highlight of this impact driver, allowing compatibility with multiple Black Plus Decker tools. This interchangeability makes it a cost-effective solution for those who own or plan to own other PowerConnect tools, ensuring longer runtime and convenience. Designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, the Black Plus Decker BDCI20C impact driver combines power, efficiency, and user-friendly features to handle a wide range of fastening applications effortlessly. And finally, our number one pick is the Dewalt DCF845B impact driver. The Dewalt DCF845B impact driver is designed to deliver high performance and efficiency for demanding fastening applications. Featuring a brushless motor, this tool provides an impressive 1,825 lbs of max torque and operates at speeds of up to 3,400 RPM. This ensures the capability to drive large diameter screws with ease, making it a reliable companion for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a 3-speed setting and a variable speed trigger, the DCF845B offers precise control, allowing users to adjust power output based on the task at hand. Whether handling delicate fastening jobs or tackling tougher materials, this impact driver enhances accuracy and efficiency. The lightweight design further contributes to user comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use on the job site. One of the standout features of the DCF845B is its integrated 3-LED work light. This built-in illumination system brightens low-light areas, ensuring enhanced visibility in dimly lit workspaces. This feature is particularly useful for professionals working in tight or enclosed areas where additional lighting may be limited. Additionally, this 20 vs Max XR-inch impact driver is designed with advanced tracking capabilities. It is chip-ready, meaning it can be equipped with a tracking chip to integrate with the Dewalt Tool Connect Site Manager app. This allows for real-time monitoring and location tracking, adding an extra layer of security and convenience for professionals managing multiple tools. The DCF845B is a cordless impact driver that offers flexibility and portability. However, it is important to note that the battery and charger are sold separately, allowing users to choose compatible power sources based on their needs. With its combination of power, precision, and modern features, the Dewalt DCF845B impact driver stands out as an excellent choice for those seeking a high-performance tool for demanding fastening applications.